Today I draw a beautiful butterfly. So for the reference photo I will search on Google. Yes, I got it. So first create an outline. Here I create an outline using grid method. Camera focus is not right.
Yeah.
The butterfly outline is complete. So now jump into my favorite part, coloring. I am using Staedtler color pencils. Here I do the first layer with Staedtler and the second layer it with Apsara glass marking pencil to make it darker.
Walking down this lonely road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gonna do?
I will use white gel pen for highlighting and also with cutter.
When your will is on the ground, what you gonna do? I won't go for anything that isn't in direction of the moon.
Then I will use light blue, dark blue and black color in the lower part of it.
Between custody, you blue. Inhale the atmosphere, brushing fear right off the shoulders. Looking around, couldn't find anyone, feel like the world getting colder.
Now color in the butterfly's wing. It has shade of brown and blue color.
No, won't look back, no.
So do both these color in its base layer, then do second layer with black color to make it dark.
The way you run it, dog, you got everything you need on God. Just honing your faith and your power. Trust we could witness as
highlighted using white gel pen.
Keeping you up early every hour, but it just doesn't.
I will do the same process in the rest. I will use cotton stick for blending. Use a cutter for highlight here.
Wait, slow down, hone it now. If you believe, then you better breathe it. Walking down this lonely road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gonna do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is
now color in its lower wing.
I just be watching, don't say much. Always quitting my job, they ain't pay much. And to this day, I don't pray much. I'm still waiting on God to save us. Social media trying to enslave us. Everything that we got, no one gave us. Let them judge it, they made us.
I will make a base layer with light blue color and then second layer with dark blue.
Spread your love, cause that first is gonna off you. Not everybody can do what a boss do. See me pop out with
then orange and then black.
Thought you was my brother, never in my mind I would ever think about crossing you. I feel like I can do the impossible. We gotta feel like I'm unstoppable. Yeah, they all doubted me and I still showed them that it was possible. Yeah, I know a lot of niggas doubt it. Before we go to sleep, give me head while I roll up. Always ready for war, she know she fucking with a soldier. She know she fucking with a soldier. Always ready for war, she know she fucking with a soldier. I'm not one of them, so don't treat me the same. All of this motivation came from pain. Tats on my body, got a lot of dead names. I can tell her usually fuck with lames. Good in the street, never had to gang bang. Catch me out in public every time I let my chain. Cut my old bitch off, got a new one, and somehow still did.
Mostly the butterfly is complete. Now I will use yellow and light orange color to create a base layer in the flower next to it. Then I will use dark orange and red color. This flower is in the focus of the camera, so it is clearly visible.
Let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads. Show you things you ain't seen. Places only I know. And I know that you got a lot of dreams, and I'm telling you, don't think twice. Yeah. If you want it, go and get it. How you want it, only get one life.
Now color in the background.
Twice, how you stepping up when you keep running?
The background here is blur, so I will simply do color shading and give a blurry effect in such a way.
Just not want it. No more handouts, I got too much love for you. That's why good girls sometimes are the worst for you. Had a good time, no I can't lie, but I'm tryna look out for you. So let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads. Show you things you ain't seen. Places only I know. And I know that you got a lot of dreams, and I'm telling you, don't think twice. Yeah. If you want it, go and get it. How you want it, only get one life. So don't think twice. No one gon' get it for you, that's true. Time to move on, quarter past you. Took 100 shots, none went through. Learned a lot from that, then if one went through. wanna see you get what you came for. Friends on
Now my beautiful butterfly is complete. I hope you like it as much as I did. So enjoy the layout. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about this video and also comment below your suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.